Thanks for joining me. Today we're diving into a powerful legal tool that gives employees a stronger collective voice: class action lawsuits in the workplace. When a company engages in illegal or unfair practices, it often affects many people, not just one. In those cases, a class action allows employees with similar experiences to band together and take legal action as a group. Let's talk about how class actions work, why they're filed, and what to do if you think you might be part of one. What is a class action lawsuit? A class action is a legal case where one or more employees file a lawsuit on behalf of a larger group who've experienced similar violations. Instead of everyone filing separate claims, the group moves forward as a unified class. This is especially helpful in employment law, where problems often affect entire teams or departments. Employers sometimes rely on the fact that workers might feel too intimidated or isolated to speak up. A class action changes that dynamic. Common grounds for workplace class actions. Here are the most frequent reasons these lawsuits are filed. 1. Unpaid wages or overtime. These are the most common. Employers may fail to pay for all hours worked, require off-the-clock work, misclassify non-exempt employees as exempt from overtime, deny compensation for meal or rest breaks. If this happens to multiple employees, it may justify a wage and hour class action. Second, employee misclassification. Some companies label employees as independent contractors to avoid paying benefits or overtime. Others misclassify hourly workers as salaried to sidestep overtime rules. If a group is impacted in the same way, a class action might apply. 3. Widespread discrimination or harassment. Discrimination based on race, gender, age, religion, disability, or national origin is illegal. If a pattern exists, like unequal pay or biased promotions, class action lawsuits can help multiple affected workers seek justice. The same applies to pervasive, unaddressed sexual harassment. Fourth, illegal deductions or expense reimbursement violations. Under California law, employers must reimburse job-related expenses and cannot make unlawful wage deductions. If a company regularly deducts uniform costs, equipment fees, or refuses mileage reimbursement across a department, that's a potential class action issue. 5. Denied meal and rest breaks. California law guarantees meal and rest breaks. If an employer routinely denies breaks, discourages employees from taking them, or automatically deducts break time from pay, that may open the door to collective legal action. 6. Violating layoff notice laws, WARN Act. Under the Federal WARN Act and California's version, employers must give advance notice before mass layoffs or closures. If they don't, affected employees may be entitled to up to 60 days worth of pay and benefits. A class action ensures everyone impacted can claim what they're owed. 7. Company-wide policies that violate labor law. If a business enforces policies that violate employee rights, like requiring workers to sign unlawful non-compete agreements, delaying final paychecks, or using the same illegal practice across the board, those can form the basis of a class action too. Signs you might be part of a class action. Ask yourself, have coworkers had the same experience as you? Is there a pattern or company-wide policy causing harm? Did you raise concerns and get ignored? If your answers are yes, don't assume you have to handle this alone. Your case may be stronger and safer when brought with others. What to do next? If you believe a class action might apply, document everything. Keep emails, timesheets, policies, and notes about what happened. Talk to coworkers, see if they've experienced similar treatment. Speak with an employment lawyer. A lawyer can review your situation, explain your rights, and help you decide the best course of action, whether that means leading a class or joining one. Why class actions matter. These cases help employees get fair compensation, but they also push companies to fix systemic issues. Better policies, fairer pay, and safer work environments often follow. It's not just about money, it's about accountability. If you believe your employer has violated labor laws and affected you and others, visit employeelawgroup.com. Let's talk about your options and how we can help you move forward with confidence.